everybody, welcome to my unboxing. Today we have batting gloves, bowling helmet, and
the bases.
And a base set.
Let's open it up. Let's take a look at the bases. Oh, ooh, strong.
Are you strong?
Yep. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, look at all the bases. You got first base, second base, third base, and home base. Open it over there. Don't open it there.
Oh,
Nobody can see you. You need help to get it out? You got it. Okay, so let's show everybody the bases. We got home base, first base, second base, third base, so we can practice our running to the bases, right? All right, turn around so everyone can see. Show them, okay. Okay. So that's you got first, the small ones are show them. So pick up the small ones. So that's first base. I don't know what base that is. We're gonna have to figure that one out.
And Dad, are you going to use this one?
I think that's for the Empire. So take the other. Just put that one down. We'll figure what that one is for. So get the other ones. No, just one at a time. So that's first base. Throw that down. No. Just put it right there. Go get the other one. That's home plate. Yep. That's home plate. Yep. Second base. And third base. All right. Now show everyone your helmet.
So I can read 10?